High efficiency, uses 40 watts to produce 285 lumens of soft white light illumination. Long-lasting, rated life of 3,000 hours, reducing the need for constant replacements and maintenance costs. Decorative design goes perfect with exposed bulb fixtures and delivers a warm glow. Ideal for chandeliers, wall sconces, and enclosed outdoor fixtures. Operates in any position, vertical, horizontal or angled. These high-quality bulbs help in reducing energy cost by 25%. Experience reliable, long-lasting lighting without flickering or glare for better focus. SYLVANIA offers high-performing, reliable incandescent light bulbs for multi-purposes around your home. From bedrooms, home offices, to kitchens, experience quality home lighting without flicking or glare for better focus and eye health. Incandescent bulbs are a popular choice for the many uses wherever quality, lasting light is needed. Top reviews from the United States. Hard to find product available. Finding light bulbs is not as easy as it used to be, and when you do find them, they are expensive. This product fixed that and arrived quickly and was very affordable. I love how you can get just the wattage and number of light bulbs you want on Amazon instead of shopping from store to store without choices or bulbs that don't work for your lamp.